Hyacinth Gordon-Clarke came from a poor rural family in Wattown, St. Anne. The family didn't have much, but she was raised with a fighting spirit that took her through life. Mrs. Gordon-Clarke and her 5 siblings understood their circumstances.
It was a must that we attend school. But the thing is, although we were going to school, we didn't even realize we were that poor at the time.
Satisfied and with the right attitude, Mrs. Gordon-Clarke worked hard to be successful in the common entrance exams and was placed at the York Castle High School.
I remember quite clearly the books cost 9 and 9 pence. Although it was very reasonable for some people, not working, not having a direct income like my parents did, it was very hard. And so I was at school and I did not even have these books. But that did not deter me.
At 15, Mrs. Gordon-Clarke was devastated after being forced to drop out of school.
By the time I finished third form, my parents just could not help me anymore.
Mrs. Gordon-Clarke worked part-time and was assisted, eventually doing her O-levels privately. Despite many ups and downs, she graduated from Monique Teachers College with honors. She spent 40 years in the education sector and 12 years as principal of her alma mater, Watertown College.
I just wanted to work with those little children and to help them to see that it's not where you are from. It's not the barefoot that you walk to school. It's what you turn out to be. It's your ambition.
She received several awards and accolades from academic, cultural, and religious bodies and has written a book about her struggles and career. Mrs. Gordon-Clarke says she has ambitions of completing a gospel album. With a ray of hope, I'm Kayan Morgan.